think the biggest misconception or thing that people don't understand is in the sense of plant foods versus animal foods. All of human ingenuity, all of the things we've learned over the years, ever since we've been on this planet, is figuring out how we can hunt animals, how we can develop weapons, so we can hunt and dispatch animals, how we can butcher them, etc. So that's a lot of work and energy that went into making killing the animal at the end of the day. But once the animal is dead, we can just eat it as is. I mean, yes, you can cook it, maybe to enhance flavor, maybe to unlock some of the nutrients in the meat, etc. But technically speaking, you could just eat the animal once it's dead. With plants, it's the exact opposite. Harvesting a plant is just a matter of bending over, picking it up, or reaching up and picking it. There is nothing to it. You don't need to be a smartass. You don't need a big brain to harvest or collect plants. Where all of the brain energy then goes, once the plant has been collected, is processing it to mitigate all of the plant toxins. And yes, plants have toxins, all of them. Those are defense chemicals that plants use instead of claws and teeth and being able to run away, to defend the most vital parts, like the stems, the seeds, the leaves, all of the things that the plant needs to reproduce and to grow. And so we need to mitigate those toxins, those defense chemicals, to make plants safer for us to eat. Now, some toxins cannot be mitigated, like oxalates in leafy greens like spinach and stuff cannot be mitigated, and you should not be eating those plants. Others, depending on your sensitivity, you can get away with eating certain plants. With animals, you can eat all animals. There is no defense chemicals, no toxins in animal meat. And that's why I think that humans should be eating predominantly animals and selectively use plants if you know how to mitigate those plant toxins, and depending on your individual sensitivities. That's the big difference. Nobody understands that, and it's very important to understand, because you need to put measures into place to mitigate those plant toxins.